To add Spectrum to Apple TV, start by going to the homepage on your Apple TV. Then open the App Store and search for Spectrum TV Essentials. Download and install the app. And once the installation is complete, you can access Spectrum TV Essentials on your TV. If you're looking for the Apple TV channel on your Spectrum lineup, ensure your TV is turned on and the Spectrum cable is securely connected. Then press the menu or guide button on your remote. Scan the menu to find the channel guide, and look for the channel numbers or names associated with Apple TV. Note that these may vary depending on your current Spectrum package and location. Once you've found the Apple TV channel, simply click on it to start watching your favorite shows. The process of adding Spectrum to Apple TV is straightforward, and with these steps, you should be able to do so with ease.